Hey, do you have any updates on the COVID-19 vaccine?
Yes. Want to hear about the update?
Yes.
Stay on this video so that you'll be updated with all the latest news on the COVID-19 vaccine. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Note that all the information here is the latest, genuine and real update.
Why is a COVID-19 vaccine important?
The COVID-19 vaccine is important because the virus spreads easily and the majority of the world's population is still vulnerable to it. A vaccine would provide some protection by training people's immune systems to fight the virus, and they would not fall sick again.
How successful are they in making the vaccine?
Research is happening at a faster pace. About 80 groups around the world are researching vaccines, and some are now entering clinical trials. Number 1. The first human trial for a vaccine was announced last month by scientists in Seattle. Unusually, they are skipping any animal research to test its safety or effectiveness. Number 2. In Oxford, the first human trial in Europe has started with more than 800 recruits and have signed a deal with AstraZeneca to supply 100 million doses, 30 million for the UK if it works. Number 3. Pharmaceutical giants Sanofi and GSK have teamed up to develop a vaccine. And number 4. Australian scientists have begun injecting ferrets with 2 potential vaccines. It is the first comprehensive preclinical trial involving animals, and the researchers hope to test humans by the end of April.
When will the COVID-19 vaccine be developed?
A vaccine would normally take years, if not decades, to develop. Researchers hope to achieve the same amount of work within a few months. Most experts think a vaccine is likely to become available by mid-2021, about 12 to 18 months after the new virus, known officially as SARS-CoV-2. That would be a huge scientific feat, and there are no guarantees it will work.
What all have to be done to complete the development of the vaccine?
Multiple research groups have designed potential vaccines. However, there is much more work to do, which are: Number 1. Trials need to show the vaccine is safe. It would not be useful if it caused more problems than the disease. Number 2. Clinical trials will also need to show the vaccine provokes an immune response which would protect people from getting sick. Number 3. A way of producing the vaccine on a huge scale must be developed for the billions of potential doses. Number 4. Medicines regulators must approve it before it can be given. Number 5. Finally, there will be the huge logistical challenge of actually inoculating most of the world's population.
How many people need to be vaccinated?
It is hard to know, without knowing how effective the vaccine is going to be. Almost 60 to 70% of people needed to be immune to the virus in order to stop it from spreading easily. This type of spreading is called as herd immunity. But billions of people around the world would be vaccinated if it works perfectly.
How do scientists create a vaccine?
The work on a new coronavirus vaccine is using newer, and less tested, approaches called plug-and-play vaccines. Because we know the genetic code of the new coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, the scientists have the complete blueprint for building the vaccine. Researchers in Oxford have put small sections of its genetic code into a harmless virus that infects chimpanzees. They hope that they have developed a safe virus that looks enough like the coronavirus to produce an immune response.
Would the COVID-19 vaccine protect people from all ages?
It will, almost inevitably, be less successful in older people, because aged immune systems do not respond as well to immunization. This had happened with the annual flu shot. It may be possible to overcome this by either giving multiple doses or giving it alongside with a chemical, called as adjuvant, that gives the immune system a boost.
Who all would get a COVID-19 vaccine?
If a vaccine is developed, then there will be a limited supply, so it will be important to prioritize. Healthcare workers who come into contact with COVID-19 patients would be in the top of the list. The disease is most deadly in older people, so they would be a priority if the vaccine was effective in this age group. But everyone who is infected with COVID-19 would get the vaccine. Hope your questions on the COVID-19 vaccines are solved. Any more questions, you're always welcome to ask by writing in the comment box. So, stay safe, stay home and stay healthy. Did you know about our blog yet? If no, you can visit our site from this link in the description of this video. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a video, and do like the video if you liked it. What video do you want the next? You're always welcome to share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.